What if I told you that the chicken breed you choose could quietly decide whether your backyard flock makes you money or drains your wallet? Thousands of backyard chicken keepers pick the wrong breeds every year, and many don't realize it until months later when the feed bills start adding up and the egg basket stays disappointingly empty. The truth is, not all chicken breeds are created equal. Some are incredible egg producers, some are beautiful showbirds, and others are simply great family pets. In this video, I'm breaking down the 10 most popular chicken breeds from around the world and which ones are actually worth considering for your backyard flock. So our first on the list is Rhode Island Red Chicken. This breed is extremely popular among American poultry keepers because of its beautiful deep red feathers, friendly temperament, and excellent egg-laying ability. A Rhode Island red hen can produce around 250 to 320 large brown eggs every year. All of these qualities make them a favorite for backyard flock owners as well as commercial egg producers. Another reason Rhode Island Reds remain so popular is their hardiness. They can adapt to both hot summers and cold winters, making them suitable for many different regions. Next on the list is the Leghorn chicken. Originally from Italy, Leghorns have become one of the most popular chicken breeds worldwide. They are easy to care for, very active, and highly productive. A Leghorn hen can lay more than 320 to 350 white eggs per year, which makes them a top choice for egg production. One of the biggest advantages of this breed is its feed efficiency. Because they have a lighter body weight than many other breeds, they generally consume less feed while still producing a remarkable number of eggs. This makes them one of the most economical choices for poultry keepers focused on maximizing production. Coming in at number 3 is the Black Australorp. This breed was developed in Australia and quickly became popular around the world. One of the most impressive features of the Black Australorp is its outstanding egg-laying ability. These hens can produce around 230 to 300 large brown eggs annually, making them one of the best layers available. In addition to their productivity, Black Australorps are known for their calm and friendly personalities. They are easy to manage and usually get along well with other birds. Their glossy black feathers often display a beautiful green sheen when viewed in sunlight, making them one of the most attractive breeds in a backyard flock. At number 4, we have the Orpington chicken, which originated in England. This breed is known for its stunning appearance, calm nature, and friendly personality. Although Orpingtons are not the most prolific egg layers, they can still produce around 150 to 200 large brown eggs per year. Because of their appearance and gentle behavior, they are very popular in backyard flocks and poultry shows. Orpingtons are also large-bodied birds, which makes them a useful dual-purpose breed for both eggs and meat. Next at number 5 on our list is the Silkie chicken. This unique breed comes from China and is loved by chicken keepers all over the world. Silkies are known for their soft, fluffy feathers, gentle temperament, and unusual appearance. While they don't lay as many eggs as other breeds, they can still produce around 100 to 120 eggs per year. Today, Silkies are commonly kept as backyard pets, for exhibitions, and even as companion animals. Now moving on to number 6, we have the Marans chicken from France. This breed is very popular among backyard chicken keepers and poultry breeders. Marans hens typically lay around 150 to 200 eggs per year, but what makes them truly special is their dark brown eggs. Their eggs can range from rich chocolate to deep mahogany in color, which makes them highly desirable. Many customers are willing to pay a premium for these unique eggs. At number 7 is the Hamburg chicken, originally from Germany. This breed is known for being practical, active, and efficient, making it a great choice for backyard farmers. Hamburg chickens are valued for both egg production and their usefulness as a dual-purpose breed. A hen can lay around 180 to 200 eggs per year. Their attractive feather patterns also make them a beautiful addition to any backyard flock. Next, at number 8, we have the Asil chicken from India. This breed is known for its strong, aggressive, and territorial nature. Although it is considered a dual-purpose breed, in India it is mainly raised for traditional and heritage purposes. A hen can lay around 80 to 120 small to medium-sized eggs per year. The Asil is one of the oldest chicken breeds in the world and is highly respected for its strength, endurance, and muscular build. Coming in at number 9 is the Chabwa chicken from Japan. This is a true bantam breed, meaning it is much smaller than standard chickens. Because of their tiny size and adorable appearance, They are very popular among poultry enthusiasts. A Chabwa hen can lay around 80 to 100 small white eggs per year. Their compact size makes them ideal for people with limited space. Many hobbyists enjoy raising Chabos because they are charming, unique, and frequently featured in poultry exhibitions and shows. Finally, at number 10, we have the Barnevelde chicken from the Netherlands. This breed is known for its beautiful plumage, calm temperament, and reliable egg production. A Barnevelde hen can lay around 200 to 250 large dark brown eggs each year. They are not only good for eggs but can also be used for meat production. One reason many backyard keepers love this breed is that it tends to continue laying well during colder months when some other breeds slow down. So these are 10 of the most popular chicken breeds from around the world. As you can see, every breed has its own strengths and weaknesses. Some are bred primarily for egg production, while others are valued for their appearance, temperament, or unique characteristics. The best breed for your backyard flock ultimately depends on your goals. Now, if your main goal is egg production, then check out the video on your screen. I've broken down the 5 highest egg-laying chicken breeds that can dramatically increase your daily egg count and help you get more eggs from your flock. Click that video now, and I'll see you there.